Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve home fitness with Beachbody step by step clearly. To improve your home fitness with Beachbody, start by defining your fitness goals. Decide whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, increase endurance, or improve overall health. Next, create a dedicated workout space in your home. Ensure this area is free from distractions and has enough room for movement. Invest in some basic equipment, such as dumbbells, resistance bands, or a yoga mat. Sign up for a Beachbody subscription through their official website or app. Browse through the vast library of workout programs available. Choose a program that aligns with your fitness level and goals. Read reviews and testimonials for insight into the program's effectiveness. Once you've selected a program, commit to a start date to keep yourself accountable. Establish a consistent workout schedule that fits your lifestyle. Consider scheduling your workouts at the same time each day for routine. Prepare your environment by laying out your workout gear the night before. Each day, start with a warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. Follow the workout plan provided, paying attention to proper form to prevent injury. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated and see improvements. Use the app to access nutrition plans that complement your workouts. Meal prepping can help you stick to these nutrition guidelines throughout the week. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after workouts. Incorporate rest days into your schedule for recovery and muscle growth. Join Beachbody community groups online for support and accountability from others. Engage with other users to share experiences and tips. Stay flexible and adjust your workout plan as needed based on your progress and preferences. Celebrate small victories to keep your motivation high. Finally, remember that consistency is key for long-term results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.